Hey guys, welcome to Kitech packing machinery. Okay, so today I'm going to introduce you guys how the disposable tableware be made from an automatic packing machinery. Okay, so you guys can see actually taking the tableware packages. We can see there is a spoon, knife, and a fork and a napkin was automatic wrapped in the paper bags, right? Okay, so let me show you guys how this machine to wrap their tableware packages step by step. Okay, so the machine beside me is a napkin folding, embossing, and a cutting machine. So we can see actually this machine is using the paper rolls on the machine, and then and this process is going to be embossing on the napkin. And let's move to this part. It's going to fold the napkin from the paper, and to this area the machine going to fold the napkin and finally to cut off piece by piece and deliver to the packing machine.
Okay.
And this machine comes with a full automatic tableware feeding system. So as we can see, it's used to feed and drop the tableware on the packing machine automatically. And with a rotary feeding design, this system can achieve up to 100 pieces per minute. And with such a full automatic system, it can actually save you a lot of labor cost. You no longer need to place a tableware on the machine manually. And when all the tableware and the napkin get connected on the machine conveyor, and then all the tableware and napkin will be delivered into the packing machine automatically. And at this part, we can see our machine are using the paper rolls. So the machine are able to form the paper bags from paper rolls. Okay, and finally, after the machine seal the paper bags, and at this end, the finished packages coming out. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if anybody are interested in this kind of a paper package for the disposable tableware, welcome to contact us.
Nice.